G'day guys, welcome back to Lost Recovery. Today, I'm taking you out there. The last few days, Sydney has had some crazy dust storms, massive oceans. You can see the swell behind me. Our beaches have been absolutely transformed the last couple of days. Sand has been moved right up onto the beach and onto our roads. It's just been absolutely crazy out there, and today I'm going to be hitting a calmer bay in Sydney, hopefully, where I'm going to be doing some crevicing, looking for the really old gold. Let's gear up and get out there. See you in the water, guys. Cheers. Haha.
Yeah, that's it. Look at that. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that's it.
We are back from the hunt. It was awesome out there finding all the treasure. We found up over $10 in cash today and removing all the trash. But guys, there was no trash out there today. Reason for this, there's been not much movement in the ocean. All the sand's been moved up onto the shore, so all the trash would be up on the shoreline or out there in deeper water, unfortunately. But the ocean will bring it back in, and when it does, we'll be out there to collect all the trash, remove it, and recycle it. Every week I get emails and comments, Michael, what do you do with rings when you find them on hobby hunts? Good question, guys. Everything I find does remain in lockup. I don't sell, I don't hawk. Now, I started Lost Jewellery Recovery for a reason, and that is to get all lost rings back to the rightful owners. And guys, you have been a massive help. Our channel has hit over 100,000 subscribers. I want you to know all the support that you've given our channel. That's reaching out, helping us find owners of lost rings that I've had in my collection for over 5 years now, and none of this would have happened if it wasn't for your support. So a huge shout out to all my viewers, all my subscribers, all my patrons. All you guys have done an outstanding job in getting rings back to the rightful owners. I'm just a bloke with a metal detector out there finding rings, and when I find them, it's you guys who make the difference. The best find today will have to be this little beauty. Now, I found her when I was crevicing in between the sandstone crevices. As the sand's getting moved around in the bay, that's where you're going to find all your heavy targets, like this beautiful gold ring here. She is an absolute little beauty. It is stamped on the inside, which is going to give us a really good chance at finding the rightful owner. She was a sunbaker, sitting right there on top of the sandstone. An absolute beautiful little find. On inspection, looking a little bit closer, unfortunately, it's not gold, just a bling ring. It got my heart pumping, guys, when I'm out there finding the treasure and removing all the trash. The next best find, were you thinking that's gold? Well, I first seen a glimmer in that sunlight. Unfortunately, that is just a bling bracelet, possibly copper or brass. The last find of the day, there's a chunk of metal in there. Now, I've found gold rings encrusted just like this. Now, it's definitely not a gold ring. Judging by the size of it, that would be a massive ring, guys. It really would. So it's definitely not a gold ring. Now, I can see there's a bit of metal in there. It could possibly just be a washer, or it could even be a very old medallion. There is some lineage going through that metal. I am really interested in cleaning that up and finding out exactly what this is. Leave a comment down below what you think is going to be under all this rubble. Well, that's it for today, guys. Share, like, subscribe. I'll see you all on the next hunt. Happy hunting, guys. Cheers. Woo. Check out that surf.